Look around you. The world is louder than it has ever been. We are constantly told what to want, who to hate, and what to fear. Most of us are like a small boat in a massive storm, tossed around by every email, every comment, and every unexpected tragedy. But what if you could be the lighthouse instead, unmoved by the waves? This is not a dream. It is the 2,000-year-old promise of Stoicism. Epictetus, a man born into slavery who became one of history's greatest teachers, said, "Some things are up to us, and some things are not up to us." It sounds simple, yet we ignore it every day. You cannot control your boss's mood. You cannot control the weather. You cannot control the past. When you try to control these things, you suffer. The shift. The only thing you truly own is your own mind, your judgments, and your actions. Next time you feel anger rising, ask yourself, is this within my control? If the answer is no, give yourself the permission to let it go. It is not yours to carry. We spend our lives running away from the what if. What if I lose my job? What if I get sick? The Stoics did the opposite. They practiced Premeditatio Malorum, the premeditation of evils. They visualized the worst-case scenario. Not to be depressed, but to be prepared. If you have already faced your fears in your mind, they lose their power over you in reality. Rehearse poverty, rehearse loss, and you will find that you are much stronger than your comfort zone tells you. Marcus Aurelius, the most powerful man in the world, faced plagues, betrayals, and endless wars. He didn't just tolerate his life, he loved it. He called it Amor Fati. Imagine your life is a fire. Everything that happens to you, the good and the bad, is fuel. A strong fire consumes everything and grows brighter. Don't wish for reality to be different. Use reality as the raw material for your greatness. Stoicism is not a library of books. It is a way of breathing. Tomorrow morning, before you check your phone, sit in the silence for 2 minutes. Remind yourself, today I will meet ungrateful, violent, and treacherous people. They are this way because they do not know the difference between good and evil. But I do. Go out there, not as a victim of the world, but as a student of it. If you found this helpful, subscribe to join our journey toward clarity.